Now in the 10th question, if you observe, there is a pentagonal shaped park as shown in the figure. So this is a pentagon, and for finding its area, Jyoti and Kavita divided it into two different ways. See, this is Jyoti, how she divided the field. That means what she did, from here she drawn a vertical line, a perpendicular line. So this line is dividing this whole figure into two trapeziums of equal area. So to find the area of this figure, these two trapeziums are equal in area. So here you should find the area of this trapezium. So for this, the distance is given. That means this longer side is 30 meters, and the shorter side is 15 meters. So find the area of this trapezium. And here total this length is 15 meters. So take half. That means height becomes 7 by 2. So I'll explain how to do this. Now come to this shape. That means Kavita did in this method. So here this is a square and this is a triangle. This is an here these two sides are equal, remember. And this will become 15 meters. Right? So here this becomes an equilateral triangle. I'll show you how it will be. Just listen carefully. So you have to find the two areas. After that, find the area of this park using both ways. Can you suggest some other way to find its area? So first of all, let us find the two areas in two methods. Then you can suggest any other method. Okay. So first of all, this is the, so here take the field like this, park, right? So if you divide it like this, here this is 15 meters and this line is 30 meters. The total distance from here to here is 15 meters. So this becomes half, 15 by 2 meters. Okay. So these two areas are equal. So area of the park is equal to 2 into area of trapezium. Is equal to 2 into area of trapezium is half h of a plus b is equal to, so 2 and 2 will be cancelled. H is 15 by 2. So the distance between the parallel sides. 15 by 2 into, in this 2 any one can be a and other one will be b. So 15 plus 30 is equal to 15 into, this is 45 by 2. And here you can cancel this 2. 2 2s are and 5. So 22.5 into 15. So if you multiply, 15 5s are 75. 5 and 7 is the carry. 15 2s are 30 plus 7, 37. 3 will be the carry. 15 2s are 30 plus 3, 33. So 337.5 meters square is the area of this park. In whose method? Jyoti's method. Now let us go to Kavita's method. In Kavita's method, what Kavita did? She also divided in two parts, but in a different way. So here this is 15 meters, this is 15 meters, and these two are equal, right? Now this total length is 30 meters. If this total length is 30 meters, this is 15 now, so this becomes 15 meters. And up to here 15, and this height becomes 15 meters. So area of triangle plus area of square, this becomes 15 meters. So in Kavita's method, area of the park is equal to area of triangle plus area of square. Is equal to area of the area of triangle is half BH plus area of square is S square or A square. So half into, here base is 15 into 15 height plus area of square is 15 into 15 is equal to, see here you have to multiply these two. Instead of that you learned factorization, right? So 15 into 15 in both terms it is there. So take it out common. 15 15s are 225, you take out. Half plus 1 is equal to 225 into 3 by 2. Right? Now multiply with, you can multiply these two. 3 5s are 15. 1 is the carry, 3 2s are 6 plus 1 7, 3 2s are 6 by 2. Now you divide with 2. 2 3s are 6, 2 3s are 6, 2 7s are 14.5 is equal to 337.5 meters square. If you observe, in Kavita's method also we got the same area. In Jyoti's method, this is Jyoti's method. In Kavita's method, this one. So, in this question, there are two ways to find the area of the given figure. So, you can do in any one method. So, here you have to suggest any other method. Anyone can do in any other method, you can suggest. You can find out the area in that method also. Okay.